Hi, I'm Jonas Urba. I'm a New York employment lawyer here with Employment Law Reality Check. You may be asking yourself, was I discriminated when I lost my job? Many times someone will call me and they're sure that it's age discrimination, and it turns out to be completely different. What everybody needs to understand is that we need to speak with someone for a period of time to get essential, strong facts from the employee. Sometimes you may think it's some reason that you got terminated, fired, lost your job, and it turns out to be the exact opposite. Age discrimination is a great example. Oftentimes it becomes either a disability, a perceived disability, or an associational discrimination claim, or a wage claim, for example, and it's nothing to do with age. But until you call some employment lawyers and you talk for a while, you don't even have to pay nowadays. You don't have to pay the $400 or $500 for an initial office consultation, because most attorneys will speak to you readily over the phone. And if you don't have a claim, you'll probably know, as well as the attorney will know, very quickly. We used to charge people $1,500 to do a demand letter, but there's no reason to do that now. If your facts are strong and you've got enough of a claim based on some theory of discrimination, a lawyer will spend the time to draft an adequate complaint or charging document on your behalf, and they might do it for a contingent fee without charging you anything. But until you call some employment lawyers and you actually talk to them for some period of time, you're not going to know. And you may be wondering to yourself, should I have signed that settlement agreement or that severance package, or should I have called an attorney before I do that? So before you sign something, you're only going to have 7 days to rescind or revoke it if you do sign. Before you do that, call some employment lawyers. Call me. I'm Jonas Urba. I serve the entire state of New York, and I can be reached at 914-366-7366.